An upper partial denture can be a good way to replace missing teeth. When you save your remaining teeth and have a partial denture, you'll chew better, look better, and have a healthier mouth. Here's a typical upper partial denture. Notice the metal clasps that fit around the anchor teeth and hold the partial in place. A partial denture prevents several problems. By filling in spaces, it stops neighboring teeth from shifting. When missing teeth aren't replaced, it can set off a chain reaction that can result in cavities and periodontal disease. It also helps balance your bite. This means you'll chew better and have a healthier jaw joint. Partials also add support to your cheeks and lips. This support is necessary to speak clearly and look your best. Some temporary problems are a normal part of adjusting to your new upper partial denture. At first, it may tip when you chew. You may notice increased salivary flow. It may seem bulky. You may gag a little. Your tongue will feel crowded and you may have difficulty speaking. But don't worry. As you get used to your new partial, these problems will go away. With time and practice, you'll make the adjustment and be eating with confidence.